Rose here for another one of our FAQ videos. So what do you want to know? Hello, today we are going to answer the frequently asked question, how are Tamco Fabricated Tanks manufactured? Tamco Fabricated Tanks are manufactured through the hot air welding process by our skilled welders. The process, invented in the mid-20th century, uses a stream of heated gas, usually air, to heat and melt the thermoplastic substrate material in the thermoplastic welding rod. The substrate and the rod fuse to produce a weld. To ensure welding takes place, adequate temperature and pressure must be applied to the rod, along with the correct welding speed and gun position. Since this is a purely manual technique, the weld quality depends on the welder's skill. The hot gas welding technique only applies to plastic materials that can be heated and melted repeatedly, namely thermoplastics. When a thermoplastic is heated, the molecular chains become mobile within the material, allowing it to melt and flow. Although this process can weld many thermoplastics, the most common are polypropylene, polyethylene, PVC, and fluoropolymers such as PVDF, FEP, and PFA. Extruded rods and sheets are the most commonly used raw materials for the manufacture of fabricated plastic products. When fabricating plastics, it is of utmost importance that the welding rod and the sheet are of identical material and chemical type. Check out our selection of Tamco Fabricated Tanks at usplastic.com. Thanks for watching another one of our videos. And remember, if you have a question you would like us to answer, or maybe you have an idea for our next video, send us an email at techvids@usplastic.com or give us a call at 1-800-537-9724. We'll see you next time.